So today's design is for a smartwatch, and I couldn't find any watch that looked very, generic. So let's just pretend that this is not an Apple Watch and like a fictional watch that I wanted to make an ad for. So I'm gonna try a different composition today because every time that I make a design, I always end up putting the main product in the like in the middle, and then the heading would be above that. But I wanted to try a different approach. I'm gonna use the rule of third to put it in that corner, and now I'm trying like different compositions and different color color combination with the background and the watch. I want the watch to stand out, but I also wanted it to blend together well. But yep, for now, I think I'm just gonna play around with it a bit and then just like leave it as white and come back to it later. And now I'm adding like the drop shadow to separate it from the background, and and also adding a shadow beneath it to make it look like it's hovering above the ground, which is a very nice effect in my opinion. I always do it with almost every design that I made, and yeah, so like uh, adding these details, and this is the problem that I have honestly. Like I always get too bogged down with the details, and again I'm still not satisfied with the background, so I'm still like tweaking it a little bit to figure out what works and what not. So after all of that, I decided to put the name of the product on top, which I'm going to change later because apparently the heading for the brief that I asked Copilot to make was different. It was actually not the name of the product; it was something else. So I'm gonna change that in a bit. I actually wanted to make it look more sleek, so I'm trying to find like a very small, thin text, but it didn't it didn't work out well in my opinion. Like it didn't look that well. So yeah, I'm still going with like Series 5. So I thought, hey, why not like add the 5 as a different color and series as a different one. This worked in my opinion, but again, now I'm just gonna realize that actually the heading is different. That is not the heading of the design. So this is actually the heading which was actually too long. So I'm just gonna keep playing with the design with the text to make it work well. And as you can see, I kind of like gave up on the thin text because it was not working well with the overall look. So yeah, this this works actually, like the unleash the future on your wrist and the name of the product beneath. It was working, but not as much in my opinion. So yeah, I'm just and this is gonna like go on for a while. I'm gonna keep tweaking with the design and trying to figure out what works and what not. You know, this takes a lot of time, but in my opinion, I think this is the best way to do it. Like if I already know what the design is going to be in my head, uh, that's that works sometimes, but this is more fun to me honestly. Like I have heard a lot of uh, YouTubers and a lot of designers say that before you go on uh, before you open up Photoshop, the design should be in your head. And yeah, there is like a rough outline in my design in my head of what I want to do, but I still like to experiment. I still like to find different ways to do things because it just, in my opinion, it's the most fun that you can have with designing something. And yeah, right now it says like unleash the future on your wrist. So I still kept the idea of like different colors for the heading, but made it just a tiny bit different. And yeah, now I'm adding the text on the like the description of the product. So I'm trying to make that work. And after a lot of tweaking, like this is what I came up with. I'm quite satisfied with that actually, but the the heading was too like it was too long. So I decided to split it in half actually. Like unleash the future on top and on your wrist in the uh, just below it. And the main issue that I was having here was the spacing because white space is a very big uh, part of design. So I wanted to implement that. I wanted it to look sleek. I wanted it to look very clean and very like very different. So that's what I'm trying to achieve here basically. But yeah, this kind of achieved it, but it was still very boring. It wasn't like catching it wasn't like catching any not catching I guess like it just wasn't working in my opinion. So instead of that, I am actually gonna try something else that's gonna completely change the design. Which like I got the idea from like adding the like this white circle in the back. So yeah, this actually changed the whole design for me. So now I'm trying like different gradients and different ways. This was the original idea, like adding like red and pinkish design. But I asked my brother what he thinks, and he thought it like didn't match with the actual product. Like the product is very sleek, very like red and like classic, but the background is like very bright. So instead of that, I am actually gonna change it. But right now, I'm just adding the hashtag in the corner to kind of complete the design, in my opinion. And this is where I think the design shine because it kind of the entirety of the design is following a rhythm now. Like it's all tilted. It's like it's all following the uh this like circle, and in my opinion it was the best thing. And now I think the design is popping out more with the red background and the white with the black product. And yeah, this is actually the closest that I got to my vision, and the final result is here. This was the final result. Let me know what you think.